Hello everyone, this is Payam Razavi. I'm really excited to have you beside me. In this tutorial, we will create this nice sticky header effect in Elementor without any third-party plugin. Let's get started. Before starting the tutorial, I would like to tell you something about my tutorials. I want to cover you all, beginners, intermediate, and advanced. And for this purpose, I have to explain every details in videos. So please do not panic and keep watching the tutorial. Thanks. Well, we are in the WordPress panel. I already installed the Hello theme because it's very compatible with Elementor Plugin. It's very light and nice. I also installed the Elementor and Elementor Pro plugins and created a number of pages. First thing first, you need the menu, so we go to Reference and select the menu. Well, we choose a name for main menu. I prefer main menu. Remove custom links. Home first and then products. We can also add custom links, as I do. Link takes my account. Okay, add to menu and create menu, and I want to check primary for display location and save. In the next, we go to theme builder and select the header tab, add new header and just name it main header and create template. Elementors take you to a page. This is the library section. Just close it. I prefer to use this layout. I consider these percentages for columns, 20 on both sides and 60 on the middle. Sometimes Elementor decided to bother you. I think 20 and 24 right column, I think middle 60, left 20, and okay, that's good. I want to put the menu in the middle column, so put navbar here. This is the menu we created earlier. I decided to change his style first. For example, in the typography section, I set weight to 300, or maybe 4 is better. And also colors in the hover section. So let's publish the header. This is a very important part. On this page, you must specify the condition for which you created the header, the whole site for archive pages or for a specific single page, and then click Save and Close. The tricky part of designing this header is that we should not use the site logo or even the image for the logo part, because we need this part to be completely dynamic, and we also do not want to use JavaScript code, so we need to write HTML code ourselves. We define a div and assign a class to it. Put any name you like on the class, but my suggestion is to go through all of this with me and practice regularly yourself later. Well, I select the section and go to the advanced section and select custom CSS. I set a background image for my class. I also have already uploaded two logos with different colors. So I'll copy the URL of one of them and replace it in this part. We need a height to display the image. I prefer to consider 50 pixels. I also set the background repeat to no repeat. Well, the logo is ready. The overall design of the header is almost over, but the header is not transparent yet. So we go back to the header builder section and consider the margin bottom of the header minus 100. This is our transparent header. But wait, where's the logo? This is tricky because we haven't set the z-index for the logo yet. So we go back to the header builder and set a number for the logo's index. For example, 100. Ta-da! This is our logo. In order to be able to completely see the color change of the logo and elements of the page, I need to change the color of this page to light. Look, the header we designed is not sticky yet. So let's go back, select the section, go to the advanced section, select the motion effects and set the sticky to the top mode, and delete the tablet and mobile. The effects offset sets the scroll value for the sticky header to display, and I prefer to set it to 100. Now we save, go to the test page and refresh. Well, our sticky header is ready, but the background color has not changed. Let's go back to design this part as well. In the Custom CSS section of the Elementor plugin, the word selector means to select the part where the code is written. So we use the selector to select the whole section, and then we can change its color. Elementor Sticky Effects is also a predefined class for changing elements in a sticky mode. Okay, we wrote the code, save, and refresh the test page. Well, our background has changed. But this change happens very quickly, and we need a softer and longer change. Let's go to design. For this purpose, we consider the transition for this part of the code. Save and refresh. Well, our animation become much softer, but if you pay attention, the return time is still fast. So we need to apply the animation to the whole section so that any color change follows the mode. I would like to change the background color of the header, but you can use any color you want. Well, the background color has changed, but the color of the menu items has not changed yet. To do this, we need to get the colors of the menu items in sticky mode. So let's go. To select menu items in sticky mode, we must use previous code plus a.elementor-item. And to change the hover mode, we use the same code plus period hover. Note that the underlines as well as the active item in menu have not changed yet. To change the active menu item, we must use this code. And to change the color of the underlines, we must use the after tag in this way. No change, so we use the important tag to override. We got to the exciting part of the story, changing the color of the logo. We use the previous code, delete the class, and replace it with our own code. Well, now we copy the address of desired logo and put it in the URL. Excellent, the logo changed. Let's see. Logo changed very quickly, so we do the same for the logo as we did for the background.